overtime? Wrong. A lot of bosses say workers don't get overtime pay. Let's clear that up. This is Work Smart Jamaica, where workers learn their rights in plain English. Let's get started. 40 hours equals standard work week. The standard work week in Jamaica is 40 hours. Anything beyond that is overtime. Overtime equals time and a half. Overtime must be paid at least time and a half. And if you work on a public holiday, it can be doubled. Myth: only hourly workers get overtime. Myth 1: only hourly workers qualify. False: salaried employees can qualify too, unless they're exempt by law. Myth: boss can block overtime. Myth 2: if your boss says no overtime, you can't claim it. Wrong. The law overrides your boss. Once you pass 40 hours, overtime rules apply. Overtime equals with consent. But remember, employees generally must agree to work overtime. If you didn't consent, you can't be forced. Let's recap the main points. 40 plus hours equals overtime. You get 1.5 times your pay and double on holidays. Salaried staff may qualify. Law is greater than your boss. Your consent is required. So here's the truth. Overtime is protected by law, not your boss's opinion. Save this video for payday so you can double check your pay slip. And subscribe for more plain answers on Jamaican worker rights. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.